Hello, today we will guide you through how to export source code files from Lovable Dev. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is where your available projects are listed and where you can access the one you want to export. If you have several projects in your workspace, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. From the dashboard, click on the sample project. This opens the project workspace where you can manage settings, integrations, and other project options. The goal here is to connect the project to GitHub because that's how you'll access and download the source code files. Once you're inside the project, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click the plus sign. This opens the menu for adding integrations or connections related to your project. If you don't immediately see it, check the lower left corner carefully, since it can be easy to miss. In the menu that appears, click on GitHub. This takes you to the GitHub connection option for the project. If your GitHub account is not yet linked, you'll see a Connect option. Click Connect to begin linking your GitHub account. In some cases, the account may already be connected, so the screen may look slightly different. That's completely normal. After the connection is set up, click on Connected. This opens the connected GitHub settings for the project. From here, you'll be able to confirm that the integration is active and continue to the repository that contains your project files. Next, click View on GitHub. This will open the project's GitHub repository in a new page. The repository is where the source code files are stored, and GitHub gives you a straightforward way to download everything at once. When the GitHub page loads, click the Code button. This opens a menu with options for accessing the repository. In that menu, choose Download Zip. GitHub will then download a zip file containing the full source code for the project to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can open the zip file and extract its contents to view or work with the source code locally. If needed, store the extracted folder somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated projects folder, so you can access it quickly later. That's it. You've successfully exported the source code files from Lovable Dev by connecting the project to GitHub and downloading the repository as a zip file.